Do a quickie video on using the paper egg cartons filled with potting soil as sort of mini pots. Doesn't work too bad. The only thing is they're small, so they do dry out pretty quickly. Almost lost my tomato seedlings here. Watered them, they pop back up. It wicks water through the outside of the pots, so it uses a lot of water. Should have been transplanted sooner. You can see these seedlings here compared to the ones that went in about the same time but had much bigger pots. So it'll definitely work. You just need to make sure that you transplant them real early. So we use scissors to cut them apart, and you get sort of a little plant cube. Not too bad. So we're just going to drop that in the pot on top of the soil and then backfill around it. And in theory, the cardboard should decompose and the roots grow through it into the soil. So, put the cube on top there, throw some of the soil around it, drop this little thing back up into place. Beauty. And same thing here. Just going to backfill that soil around it. Get some of the old stuff, doesn't matter. Reduce, reuse, recycle, whatever. So, all potted up. I'm going to run those, see how they do. Actually, that one's a little weak, so weak ones get clipped.